The third eye does not mean someone's forehead cracked and something came out. It simply means another dimension of perception has opened up. Sadhguru. Hey there, spiritual seekers and curious minds. I am Dr. Reza, a specialist in harnessing ancient knowledge for today's world. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has fascinated humanity for centuries. How to open the third eye. Now, before you start envisioning a literal eye in the middle of your forehead, let's unravel the secrets behind this metaphysical marvel. The third eye. What is it? Once you understand that your time here is limited, you will live sensibly. Sadhguru. Before we embark on this enlightening journey, let's first understand what exactly the third eye is all about. Now imagine your brain as a supercomputer, and the pineal gland as its Wi-Fi port. The third eye represents our spiritual connection, a gateway to other dimensions and past lives. It's like having a backstage pass to the universe. Opening the third eye, various paths. Now you might be wondering, how can I open my third eye? Well, my friends, there isn't just one way to unlock this extraordinary gateway. Sometimes it opens spontaneously, but more often it's a result of our conscious efforts combined with the divine timing. Benefits of opening your third eye. So, what can opening your third eye do for you? Well, my friend, it's like upgrading your perception to ultra-high definition. By activating your pineal gland, you may experience heightened intuition, deeper spiritual awareness, and a profound sense of connection with the world around you. Imagine strolling through life with a crystal-clear sense of purpose, inner peace, and emotional clarity. With your third eye wide open, manifesting your dreams becomes an epic adventure, filled with awe-inspiring synchronicities and mind-blowing opportunities. Think of your heart as the vibrant center, the powerhouse of fiery elements. And what does fire do? It produces light. That's why this interplay between the pineal gland and the heart creates a mystical connection, aligning your inner light with the external visual center. It's like your very own personal light show. How to open that third eye of yours. Now let's get to the juicy part. How to open that third eye of yours. But before we dive in, we need to prepare ourselves. Trust me, it's crucial for a few reasons. First off, you need a calm and focused state of mind. If you're feeling anxious, stressed, or distracted, activating your pineal gland successfully can be a challenge. So take a moment to relax and clear your mind. You'll be in a much better position to focus your energy and attention on the task at hand. One of the most effective ways to relax and clear your mind is through meditation. It's been practiced for centuries in various cultures, and science has shown that it reduces stress and improves focus. When you meditate, you're training your mind to focus on a single point of attention, like your breath. It helps calm the chatter in your mind and brings your awareness to the present moment. Another simple yet effective relaxation technique is deep breathing. And guess what? You can do it anywhere, at any time. When you take slow, deep breaths, you're telling your body to relax and enter a state of calm. It's like giving yourself a mini vacation from the chaos of everyday life. All right, folks, now that we're relaxed and prepared, it's time to dive into the technique itself. Here's how it goes. Step 1. Find a cozy spot to sit or lie down. Make sure you won't be disturbed during this process. It's your sacred time after all. Step 2. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and calm your mind. Inhale that good energy, and exhale any stress or negativity. Ah, refreshing. Step 3. Focus your attention on the space between your eyebrows, the sweet spot where the third eye resides. You can even place your index and middle fingers on that spot to help you dial in your focus. Step 4. Now close your eyes and imagine a glowing light in that area. It can be a brilliant white light or any color that resonates with you. Let your imagination shine. Step 5. Hold that image in your mind for 30 seconds, staying focused on the light and the space between your eyebrows. Take your time and don't worry if your mind starts to wander. Gently bring your focus back to the light in the third eye. And voila, when the 30 seconds are up, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. You've just given your pineal gland some well-deserved attention. How to harness the power of your pineal gland. This technique may seem simple. Don't underestimate its power. By directing your energy and attention towards your pineal gland, you're setting the stage for a range of benefits, increased intuition, spiritual awareness, and so much more. But hey, let's keep it real here. This technique might not work for everyone. Some folks might find it challenging to focus on that sweet spot between their eyebrows or not experience immediate changes. Don't fret. There are other techniques and practices out there to help you activate your third eye and enhance your spiritual awareness and manifesting power. How to unleash mystical inner vision. Now let's get a bit mystical here. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Sumerians recognized the power of this inner vision. They adorned their bodies with crystals and diamonds placed strategically on acupuncture points, such as the point of inner light. These symbols acted as catalysts, activating their inner vision and deepening their connection to the universe. My journey of inner exploration. Now let me share a personal story. I remember when I first discovered the power of visualization and meditation. I closed my eyes and embarked on a journey of inner exploration. And guess what? My mind's eye painted vivid landscapes bursting with colors and light. It was as if my brain became a projector, bringing forth my very own reality. Just like a movie projector, I realized that I am the creator of my reality. My brain is the projector, and the film is the perception I project outward. But here's the kicker. We often forget that we're only perceiving a mere 5% of the entire reality around us. So how can we assume we're translating the whole truth? Now, you might be wondering, if we already have eyes to see, why do we need this third eye business? Well, my friend, this pineal gland isn't just any old eye. It's like a cosmic receptor, sensitive to both external and internal light. When sunlight hits it, a cascade of chemical reactions occurs, triggering the release of substances like melatonin that help regulate our sleep-wake cycle. But why, oh why, would nature hide this fascinating gland deep within our brains? Here's where it gets truly intriguing. See, this mystical third eye is connected to our inner light, the light that resonates from the very core of our being. And where does this light find its strongest harmony? Surprise, surprise, it's right here in our hearts. Think of your heart as the vibrant center, the powerhouse of fiery elements. And what does fire do? It produces light. That's why this interplay between the pineal gland and the heart creates a mystical connection, aligning your inner light with the external visual center. It's like your very own personal light show. Becoming the creator of your reality. Here's a mind-bending idea. The light you see isn't just produced by the sun, it's produced by you. Your brain converts energy into light, creating the perception of the world around you. So if you want to see your inner light, look no further than in front of you. It's right there, waiting to be acknowledged. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed today's journey into opening the third eye. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content.